Finally, something we did for 2306 was we really enhanced the mesh region command, kind of a older command within Femap. So what we're going to do is we're just going to use mesh region. And I'm just going to select my one side of my region. Then I'm just going to select the other side. And in previous versions, this was much more difficult because they had to be ordered sequentially, essentially numbered the correct way. Now what you can see is I can just say OK, can give it my number of nodes across that region. And you can see that it filled in those gaps, but it actually left a gap in the middle here. So what we can then do again is we can just use the same command. You can come in here, select the one side of my region, and then select the other side of my region. Say OK, enter a number of nodes between here. And you can see that I now have a fully connected mesh of some rather complicated geometry.